The Auto Defogging System in Kia Sportage is a feature designed to automatically remove condensation or other fog from the windshield and other windows of the vehicle. It utilizes sensors and the vehicle's climate control system to detect and address moisture buildup on the glass surfaces. However, some drivers may find this feature annoying and may want to disable it. It's actually a very simple process. All you have to do is press and hold the front defogger button on the dashboard. The LED light will blink multiple times and the auto defogging system will be disabled. You will also see an ADS off notification on the infotainment system screen, confirming that the system is turned off. To turn on the ADS again, just press and hold the Defroster button again until the LED light starts blinking. The ADS off message from the infotainment system screen will disappear. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips. See you next time.